Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play EA Sports games on your personal computer. First, you will need to identify which specific EA Sports title you are eager to play. Next, it is crucial to check your PC's hardware specifications against the game's minimum and recommended requirements. This ensures a smooth experience. Finally, make sure your operating system and graphics drivers are completely up to date for optimal performance and compatibility. Once you know which game you want, it is time to acquire it. The primary method is purchasing directly through the official EA app, which is Electronic Arts' own platform. Alternatively, many EA Sports titles are available on other popular digital storefronts like Steam or the Epic Games Store. For a broader selection and ongoing access, you might consider an EA Play subscription, offering a large library of games for a monthly or annual fee. With your game acquired, the next step is installation. Begin by downloading and installing the EA app or your chosen platform like Steam onto your PC. Once the platform is ready, simply follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to download and install your specific EA Sports game. For the best experience, especially with sports titles, we highly recommend connecting a compatible game controller, such as an Xbox or PlayStation controller, to your computer. To ensure the best possible gaming experience, there are a few optimization tips. First, dive into the in-game graphics settings and adjust them to balance visual quality with smooth performance, aiming for 60 frames per second. Second, always keep your graphics card drivers updated. This is vital for stability and new game compatibility. Lastly, if you plan on playing online, a strong and stable internet connection is absolutely essential to avoid lag and interruptions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.